The last one on my list, the biggest one on my list in my opinion, this for me is my personal favorite, and that is hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Princess and this is Learn with Princess. Today we are going to talk about the best side hustles or the best businesses for women. So if you are a woman and you are looking for the best side hustles that you can engage in, or if you want to start a business and you are confused on which business to start, these lists will be especially beneficial to you. I have not one, not five, but 10 business ideas or 10 side hustles for women. Let us go ahead and get started. Number 10 on my list is special needs care services. If you are a woman, this is going to be especially beneficial to you. If you're a woman, this is a good business opportunity to you because women are more trusted with care services than the men folk. If you're a woman and you know that you're a caring person, you're an empathic person, you care so much about people, you have a good heart, you have a kind heart, you are a patient person, this is something that you can monetize. This is something that can pay you because it is already your passion. So you should monetize your passion. You can make this as a business. You can even go as far as employing as many people as you want. But as you are starting, you can do this by yourself. You have to get multiple clients a day, maybe 2 clients a day that you can care for. How you can start this business is that you can go online, advertise yourself as being available for care jobs for special needs people. Special needs people are people that need special care more than the normal people or the average people. This can be children, this can be elders, this can be disabled people. But whoever they are, you are available to take care of them, to cater to their specific needs. You can also negotiate your pay, your income with your clients. And that is it. Just like that, you are in the care business industry. Number 9 on my list, which is also very similar to the previous one I mentioned, is babysitting or adult sitting services. This is a business. Yes, it is. You can have a babysitting business. You can have an adult sitting business. If you know that you're a kind person, like I said before, if you know that your passion is helping people, you can put it into a business. You have to advertise yourself on social media, either Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, as being available for child sitting or adult sitting. You get multiple clients a day and you negotiate your income, your prices, your wages, your working hours, and clients that have children, clients that have elderly parents, elderly grandparents will run to your DMs, and within those clients, you can choose the best 2 or the best 3 for you. Fix any price you want, and you can be rest assured that you will find a client that will fit your price range. You can also have other benefits that you require, maybe food to be served, health benefits. You can even request to be a living nanny or a living caregiver, and rest assured you can find a client that will meet any of the needs that you may have as a babysitter or as an adult sitter. Number 8 on my list is hairdressing and nail tech business. This is a booming industry. Many people are becoming millionaires from just hair braiding and nail tech. These two are different businesses on its own, but you can combine it together as well. And it needs zero low capital to start. You can start with nothing. You just need to find clients that you're going to make their hair or you're going to make their nails, and they will pay you for your handwork only. You don't need to invest any capital to start anything. You can start from your home. You can do hair braiding in your clients' houses. You don't need any money to start this business. You just need your skill in hair braiding. And you can learn hair braiding from a reliable braider in just 6 months to a year. Sometimes less, that is all you need. And you have a good business opportunity. Number 7 on my list is bakery production and delivery. If you know that you have the passion for making baked goods like cakes, donuts, pastries, buns, meat pies, fish pies, chin chin, and other snacks, if you have a passion for making these foods, you have to turn it into a business. You have to turn it into a high income business. I know that sometimes people think that to start a baking business, you have to have a high capital, but that is not always the case. If you want to start baking and you have very little money, what you can do is that you should get your first clients online or your family and friends. If you get these clients, you quote a price for them and they will pay you a half of the money as advance. Then you use half of that money and get your first ingredients or even your materials and you start baking. That is literally all you need. You don't need so much money to start. You can start your first baking process from the first clients that you get in the business and off you go. You've already started. In any of these businesses that I'm going to mention further, and even the ones I've mentioned, you don't need any money to start. You don't need any money. You just have to have enough wisdom and knowledge and strategy so that you can start even if you have a very low or no capital. Number 6 on my list is handmade jewelry production and sale. This is also a good business opportunity if you are a woman. Women wear jewelry all the time. They wear jewelry on their ears, on their neck, on their wrist. They wear jewelry on their belly as beads, waist beads. They wear jewelry on their ankles. Women adorn themselves all the time with jewelry. So this is a high in demand business that you can start. If you know that you are passionate in making jewelry, this is an opportunity for you to make it into a business, to make it into a long-term income generating business. You just have to have the will to start. You have to have this business is a low capital business because you have to start with making a few jewelry, maybe advertising to your neighbors or your friends and your family, maybe advertising online. And before you know it, clients are lining up asking you to make jewelry for them. This is a perfect business opportunity. Do not sleep on this. Number 5 on my list is becoming a personal shopper or a luxury shopper. You can become a personal shopper for individuals. You can become personal shoppers for families, people that are so busy with their work that they don't have the time to shop their own groceries, their own household items. You need the power of social media to advertise these services that I have mentioned in this video. If you want to become a personal shopper, if you know you have the passion for shopping for the best products, for shopping for the cheapest products, advertise yourself on social media and you will see clients that need your service. And before you know it, in a year or two, you've turned this into a legitimate business, having legitimate employees under your wing. Number 4 on my list, this is a big one: house cleaning services. This is very, very huge. Many people don't have time to clean their homes. Many people live in 4, 5, 6 bedroom houses and they don't have all the time to regularly clean their homes or deep clean their homes. If you know you have a passion for cleaning, if you know you like cleanliness and you enjoy cleaning very, very well, this business, you cannot sleep upon it. You have to turn this into a long-term, high income generating business. you have to advertise yourself, like I've been saying, on social media, or you can tell your friends and family. You can print a business ID card to tell friends that, hey, I am a cleaner, I love cleaning, let me come and clean your house. This type of business, a few hours, you are done for the day. This is not a 9 to 5. You don't have to work all day, every day, from morning till night. A few hours a day is okay. And you can have appointments with multiple clients in the day. And you are making so much money from this. People sleep upon this business opportunity way too much. And there are so many clients that need cleaners. So many clients, I can assure you. I live in a 3 bedroom house and I know how much hassle it is to deep clean 3 rooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 kitchen, a living room, a dining room. So if you know that you have a passion for cleaning, do not sleep on this business opportunity. Number 3 on my list is food prep and storage. This is another business opportunity that is very similar to the one I mentioned previously. There are many families that may not have the time to make their own meals. There are many families that may not have the time to shop and prep their meals and store in the fridge and all that. So if you have a passion for these things, you have to advertise yourself and find clients who you can meal prep for, who you can store food for. You can also shop these meals for, and they will pay you at the end of the day, at the end of the week, or at the end of the month. And you can turn this small thing, this thing that looks very insignificant, you can turn it into a legit high income paying business. You just need a few clients. You don't need so much. You need a few rich clients to be able to make this work. I'm saying this and it seems as if you need a lot of clients. You need 5 clients at the most every day to make these types of businesses that I'm mentioning very high income. You don't need the whole world. You just need a few rich clients that really need your service. That is all you need. Number 2 on my list is a big one. That is sell academic courses, videos, or materials to students or parents. If you are an academic, if you are a woman that is knowledgeable, if you went to university or you know a particular skill or you know a particular course or subject, you can write academic courses. You can write academic books. You can write ebooks. You can write textbooks. You can either print it to be in print form or you can have it in software form, and you will sell these courses or these topics to students and teachers. You have to know your audience, you have to know your clients, you have to go to schools where these things are needed, and you have to approach students or parents of students, or you can even source them on the internet and then you sell your academic materials to them. And this is passive income because you just write your academic materials once. You write once, but you sell lifetime. You don't need to rewrite anything again. You just sell, you continue selling. That is what is called passive income. So if you're an academic, if you love to write books, you can also do this for non-academic books like novels. If you love to write novels and storybooks, you just have to know your audience and what they need. So if you know you are a writer, you love to write, and there are people in need of these academic courses or topics or subjects, write these things and they will make you money passively. They will make you money forever. The last one on my list, the biggest one on my list in my opinion, all the other ones are equally as big, of course, but this for me is my personal favorite, and that is start a YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is full of women. If you know that there's a particular thing that you love to do, you have a particular passion or you have a skill, or you're an extrovert, you love to make people laugh, or even if you're an introvert, there's a space for every person on YouTube. If you want to make money passively, you have to get on YouTube. You have to start YouTube. This is a no-brainer. You don't need so much explanation on this particular one. Start a YouTube channel. There are so many resources online. There are so many videos online that will help you start out, that will help you start. You don't need any capital to start a YouTube channel. You just need a phone. I'm filming on my phone. You don't need high gear. You just need to have the will to start. You need to have a skill or something you want to talk about. You need to know your audience, and that is all you need, and you are ready to start your YouTube channel. And when you monetize, YouTube pays over $1,000 every single month and more, sometimes less, depending on how many views you get and which niche you are on. If you need more information on how to start a YouTube channel, comment below in the comment section and I will do videos on any questions that you have. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got one thing or two from this list that I gave you today. See you next time. Bye bye.